Ayoko.
Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Struggles in life. Struggles. Struggles in life are blessings. Struggles are reasons why I can be strong enough as a person. Not giving up my faith from above. And always think positive. Every individual in this world experiences various struggles in their lives. But one thing I know for sure, there's no man who can overcome struggles in their lives. If there is no, if there is no faith above. As a daughter of my beloved mother and father, as a student and youth of this society, I had experienced various struggles in life. There are so many struggles that came upon our family that I cannot count upon my fingers when I was a child and now at this point in time of my life. My mom told me a story about my survival, dying, when I was a child because of suffering from my dehydration. My parents thought that I already died. I stopped breathing. Then my mom gave me a mouth-to-mouth resuscitation. They were so happy that I came back to life. All the sadness turned into a joyful event when I looked at my parents' face. They hugged me tightly and gave thanks for this, my second life. I also give thanks to God for my second life. Second life that God gave to make my parents happy. So in return, I give all my best to always make my parents happy and proud. I know I have a purpose why I'm still here on earth. And the most important thing that I know